So, are you ready now? So, what have you observed in the video? Mountains. What else? Okay. Huh? Giant rocks. What else? Canyons. Ano ba? Smooth texture. Tama.
Popular places.
Popular places. Yes, right. So, what do you think? What natural process do you think cause these rock formations? So, okay. Weathering. Okay, correct. So, yes. Weathering. So, our topic for today is weathering.
No.
Types of.
Pay attention. So, yung nag-video ka?
Yes, ma'am. types of weathering. So, can you give the two types of weathering? Yeah. Okay, tama. So, thank you. So, physical and or mechanical weathering and chemical weathering. So, what have you observed on the okay, what do you observe in the picture?
Ay, may asan nyo Marisa?
Napadala pa pirma di nga ito.
Ay, may lang pa.
What else? Ano pang ma-observe niyo sa picture? Maliban sa malaking bata. So, the sun's heat causes so yung rock is natatamaan ng light. So, siya ay sa Tagalog is nabibilad siya sa araw. So, anong magiging cause na heat pagka matagal na nabilad sa araw? Okay, tama. So, sa prolonged exposure of heat to the rock causes visible cracks in the rock. So, ito yung isa sa mga physical weathering. So, over time, the crack enlarge, leading to the rock breaking in half. So, pagkatagal ng at na-expose ito sa sunlight and meron pa heat after prolonged exposure ng sun. So, pagka umulan, so na-expose siya sa water and then water and temperature. Ano pa? Okay, tama. So, pag na-expose siya sa heat ng matagal, then biglang umulan, so magpapos siya ng sira, cracks, or leads to breaking in half. So, mahahati na siya or mabibreak siya into pieces. Okay, so, then next is, so in temperate regions or cold regions, the water accumulates in the crust and expands in the temperature of the air. So, ito naman, papasok yung tubig sa rock, and then pagka lumamig, so mag-freeze yung water inside. So, what do you think will happen to the rock? What? Can you stand up, please? Rock, okay, so alright. So, it could lead to rocks. So, pagka ito ay, after ng, pag na-expose naman siya pag na-freeze na yung water inside, so na-expose siya sa extreme temperature, so, anong magiging cause? Anong magiging effect nun sa rock? Pagka natunaw na yung tubig sa loob ng
Magiging mas matigas.
matigas, pag nice.
The air changes.
Air changes. What else? So, tignan niyo sa book niya, nandun yung answer. Okay, yeah.
The cracks become deeper and wider and new cracks are produced.
What?
New cracks are produced.
Okay, correct. So, new crops will produce. So the rock cracks deepen as water increases, causing the rock to expand further. So, yan is pagka na-freeze yung water inside. So, at pagka naman yung frozen water melts, so mawawash nito yung mga sediments from the rock. So, yung mga small fragments known is mawawash out, and eventually the rock will crack or broken in half or in pieces. So next is, so plants also contribute to the weathering of the rocks as well. So anong na-observe nyo dun sa coco? Okay, tama. So, if the plant grow bigger, so what will happen? What do you think will happen to the rock? Okay, kuya? Yeah, okay? Thank you, kuya. Okay, correct. So, if the plant grows on the top of the rock, so eventually the roots of the rock grows bigger and break the rock in half. So, what do you think is this case? What type of weather is this? Kaya chemical? That's, yeah.
Physical or mechanical.
Okay, that's correct. Physical and or mechanical weathering. So, what is the second type of weathering? So,
Chemical weathering.
chemical. Okay, that's correct. Chemical weathering. So what will happen if the rock is exposed to oxidation? So, it is a process called, when certain elements react to oxygen in a process called oxidation. So, ano mangyayari pag ito yung rock is, okay? Okay?
The elements in the rock become oxidized and they're rock.
Okay, correct. So, pag ang rock is na exposed sa oxidation, so mapapos na changes sa elements ng rock. So, ito yung nag-change ng color sa brown or magiging rusty yung rock. So, the elements in the rock will undergo a transformation into oxides, changing their properties and elements. So, how does oxidation affect the physical appearance of the rock? Okay, thank you. Correct. So, what else? What else, guys? Karoon ba kayong idea pa kung ano pa magiging changes sa rock pag na-expose sa oxidation, sa appearance niya?
Mag-ibang kulay.
Ibang kulay, tama, correct? Okay, that's correct. Breaks down the rock.
Both the physical appearance and the chemical composition of rock.
Okay, tama, correct, that's correct. So, the rock undergoes physical changes, resulting in a rusty color as minerals decompose and form new minerals. So, pag na-break yung rock because of oxidation, so mag-create yun ng new minerals. So, example lang is, yung rock is pagka na-break siya ng into pieces, so magiging isang soil. Okay. So there are effects of weathering on the living things and the environment. So what do you think is the positive and there are positive and negative effects of weathering on living things and environment? So what do you think is the positive effect? So can you give one? Yeah, guys?
That's the formation of soil.
Okay, that's correct. What else?
Weathering helps in the formation of soil, which helps the growth of plants.
Okay, correct. So Yeah? Okay, that's correct. So weathering breaks down yung positive effect nito is pag yung weathering breaks down rocks into small particles, it will form a soil that is essential to plants. So, pag na-break yung rock, because of weathering, so mamimix siya sa mga ibang particles and organisms na bubuo sa mga bubuo ng soil na healthy. So, ito yung ginagamit sa mga gardening. Ano pa? Sabihin niya saan pa ginagamit? Maliban sa gardening. Okay, so ginagamit pa ito sa mga constructions, yung mga, for example, is yung mga cements, pag nag-decorate sila. So what is the negative effects of weathering on the living things and the environment? Okay, so negative effects. Okay, after. Okay, very good. What else? Okay, we
The
have.
process causes rust, cracks, and imperfections to marbles, stones, and other materials.
Okay, that's correct. So,
As a result of chemical weathering, carbon dioxide from their resources, boric acid.
okay, that's correct. So, what else? Okay, Ahmed?
Boric acid, liberal exposures, it reacts with some minerals that might cause X-ray trouble.
Okay, very good. So, yeah, here is correct. So the negative effects of weathering is, so nada-damage na yung mga buildings and structures.
Yes.
So, for example na lang itong statue, so before and after. So, after from exposure to weathering, so nagpapos siya na, so nasisira yung physical appearance niya. Okay. Then, eventually, pagka ito'y gumagalat ng inaayos, so masisira na yung structure. So, human uses a large amount of fossil fuels and the amount of acid rain increases. So, what will happen to the plants and metal if it exposes in acid rains? So, sa prolonged exposure ng mga plants and metals, ano mangyari sa
It may die.
may die. So, what else? What? Okay, that's correct. So,
It causes metals to damage.
okay, so that's correct. Tama. So, acid rain causes damage to living things and organic matters, leading to the death of some plant and raw materials. So, ito yung mga examples. So, kita nyo naman sa taas, yung mga plants, some of the plants and trees are dying. And below is
Rusting.
rusty. So, nagra-rust na yung mga metals for prolonged exposure sa acid rains. So, what have we learned today, class? Okay, yeah? Types of weathering, so that's correct. So, very good. So, what is the difference between physical or mechanical weathering and chemical weathering? So,
Physical or mechanical weathering, rocks are weathered mechanically by water and temperature. Chemical weathering breaks down rocks by changing their chemical composition.
okay, that's correct. So, okay, what else? So, sino bang gusto mag-try ng question? Sa hotel? Wala na, si ate lamang yung alam ng difference between mechanical welding and chemical welding. Okay, that's correct. Okay, kuya. Please speak louder. Okay, so that's correct. So,
Chemical weathering rocks are broken apart but are not changed mechanically. Plants, roots, animals, and ice weather on the rocks during chemical weathering. Minerals in the rocks dissolve or change to another minerals. Agents of chemical weathering include acids and oxygen.
okay, that's correct. So, physical or mechanical weathering. So, the effect of this, it will cause the rock to break through physical or mechanical. So, while chemical, it will break composition of the rock through oxidation. So, huh? So, what are the positive and negative effects of weathering? So, what is the positive or negative effect of weathering? Positive and negative effects.
Whether the rocks are infertile, weathered materials from a collection of rocks are rich in minerals. Though weathering actually helps in making the soil more fertile.
Okay, so that's correct. So, thank you. So, let's look. I will distribute the activity.
Experiment yan, no?
Among yung sa evaluation pa.
Oo. Kasi nag-experiment na sa application.
May application pa siya.
Oo ah.
Yung application.
Matayay pa yung oras mo.
Ay,
Kasi 40 minutes ka pa.
May pala application pa rin.
Oo, evaluation yan, di ba? Mag-application ka muna.
Okay, so,
Okay, makinig. Listen.
okay, so listen. So, Group A and Group B. So, mamaya i-group ko kayo. So, Group A and B. So, makinig muna. So, each take one piece of chalk and drop it in the flow. Then use the hammer to pound the chalk. So, ito yung gagawin ninyo na sa Group A at B. So, ang Group B, ay Group A and C.
C and D.
Group C and D. So, please take the jar containing vinegar and add one piece of chalk. So, watch closely to see what happens to the chalk. So, ito yung mga gagawin na groups.
Mamaya wala nang magtatanong kay sir kung anong gagawin na dyan na instruction.
Yes, po, ma'am.
Okay, dyan balik ka sa upan mo.
So, after magawa yung mga activity na chat natin, each group will explain there kung ano yung kanilang na-observe. So,
Pwede na tayo.
okay, so I will group you into 4 groups. So let's start. Yes, let's start to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, Okay, so group 1, dito group 1 and group 2, 3, plus 4.
4. 4 over 5.
At the count of 5, lahat na nakatayo hindi nakasama sa activity 1.
Pwede ka na sa mga pwede na lang. So, balik daw sa
4. Lahat na nakatayo hindi nagagawa. 4 and a half. 5. Okay, yung mga gagamit ng hammer, be careful, mabasag nyo yung tiles. Pag mabasag nyo yung tiles, babayaran nyo yan. Diyan na kayo sa may upuan ng hammer. Mas mura yung upuan kaysa sa tiles.
Kaya sa yung group 1, group 1.
How many? Give me this one.
And group 2.
I want the small one. I want the sir, ham or please.
Diba, group C, so, vinegar and this one is katong
I'm gonna. I will move them. Dapat ako Who's group B? Sino group B? Ako group B.
So, tatlong group yun. So, ilang mga ang nalagay dito is A, B, C, D. So,
Akala ko, I was the one who took it first. I'm group 4. Okay. Group 5. I said B. Hindi ko. Group B ko ang group ako lang.
so, ang group 1 and 2 is yung A at saka B. So, sila yung hammer and chalk. So, group C and D, yung 3 at saka 4, 3 and 4, sila yung vinegar and chalk.
Kapag ikaw ang
naman natin ang dalawa. So, mag-explain na yung group 1. So, Jay, group 1, bigyan natin na. Okay, so, ito para mas makita nila. So, quiet guys, quiet, okay, so, ready na kayo? Guys, makinig. So what pwede rin naman nangyari? So ano pwede gagawin? Next is dito guys, para hindi lalaksan yung boses. Now start na doon. Para sa ulas, para sila number 2. Mag sa akin din yung audience niya. Okay, so the knowledge explain mo explanation niya. Okay, so thank you. That's good. Okay. So, tomorrow siguro yung natin ito. So, meron
Tapos na kayo? Tapos na?
yes, ma'am, tapos na yung malaki.
Yung seatwear kahit bukas na lang.
Okay.
Yung seatwear bukas lang kayo. Mamaya nga po. Ay! Opo! Kayo lang. Oh. Ha? Hindi ka naintindihan. Bukas. Basta may maibigay ka. Kasi kapag late mo lang maibibigay yung ganun mo, hindi na mapipintahan. Ma'am Cathy, pakisabi na lang pala kay Madam Principal yung size ng nananadilista at mo na ilista dito size tikwa. Size brush.
Sige, ma'am.
Pakibaga tatan ka baka mapalisunan ito
Kapag ko mo kabisado, lagi.
1 inch, half inch, 3/4.
Sige, ma'am.
Share mo yan, di ba?
Talaga sa dawagan man, hinijehan mo no, kabisado na lagi mo sa...
Basta mas dyan. Mamaya nga po. Okay. Drum and line, ang slip, mamaya nga po nakapasa. Lagyan nyo ng pangalan. Naiintindihan po. Hindi na yung verbonan nila. Paki-akas mo ang Christian natin kita isang
Bakit natin?